What's good, what's popping? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this unit, courtesy Pineapple Hairs. I'm going to be leaving every details of this hair in the description box down below so that you guys can shop for this look. If it's your first time, I'm Jennifer, or if it's not your first time, thank you for coming back. If you guys find this video useful, be sure to like, share, subscribe and all of that stuff. See you guys in the comment section. Period. So for this video I use a Deepwave single drawn 20 inches hair and a Deepwave frontal 16 inches. Shout out to Pineapple Hair for sending this hair to me. You guys, every details about this hair will be linked in the description box down below, so you guys can shop for this hair. Because what are you doing if you don't have this hair? What are you doing? Absolutely nothing. That's right. So the first thing you want to do is put on your bald cap or your wig cap, whatever you guys call it. I mean, it's fine. Just put it on, cut it open so you can see, because I was literally blinded by the bald. I'm blinded by that bald. Whatever, just cut it sharp. I'm wearing the back. I don't know if you guys can see, but it no matter. We move. Then next thing, you want to grab your free spray and then you apply that on top of the bald cap so it can sit on your head perfectly and not move, because that's what we want, innit? Right.
Blacking out, fret just fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel for things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time, it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet.
After applying your free spray, you want to grab your hair dryer and you want to make sure that it's in cool and not hot or too hot. Baby girls, cool. That's right. So you want to just do that and make sure it's dried before you can then cut it off. You guys are going to see. Just keep watching.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try?
Don't worry about the back. Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? How would they know? So yeah, when you guys are cutting out your lace, be sure to go gently so you don't cut off your skin. And you not say you learned it from Jennifer. I beg, cut it gently so that you don't injure yourself. Okay, good girls.
by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel for things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go?
So next we're going to grab our glue. I don't know the name of this glue. I mean, I've peeled it off. I don't know. I stole this glue from my friend. But you guys can use a got to be glued sha. It works perfectly like this one. So yeah, in case I don't find out the name and I don't put it in the description box, you can just get a got to be glued and a got to be freeze spray. I mean, they're both the same brand, so it's going to work perfectly for you. So yeah, we're just going to put that evenly everywhere around where the wig is going to be sitting, and then we're going to use a comb, the tail of a comb, to distribute it evenly also. Next, we're going to grab our blow dryer again, and we're going to dry that a bit. Make sure it's sticky. We're just going to make sure this one is sticky and not fully dried before we put our wig on top. Okay, so yeah, I forgot to tell you, if you're buying a wig cap or a bald cap, make sure it's almost the same skin tone as your face, because this lace frontal is transparent and you don't want to be seeing a different color. I mean, I made a mistake. Not a mistake, Jerry. It was what I had. I just had to make use of it. I mean, nobody's gonna know at the end, so I had to. But for you guys, yeah, you want to buy the exact color of your skin so that it's going to look very, very invisible. Okay, so when you're placing your frontal on your glue, you want to take it one side at a time, not just put everything at the same time. You guys are going to see it as you move forward with me.
Blacking out, fractures fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who...
Next, you want to get an elastic band and then tie it so it can stay put. If you don't have an elastic band, it's fine. You can use a scarf or whatever it is you have, any fabric. But I like this because it's thin and it's just easier for me to handle. So do what makes you happy, boo.
I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling, whoa, I like the taste of it, whoa, I'm still falling, whoa, but it tastes bittersweet, whoa, I keep on falling.
Next, we're going to grab our dryer again and we're going to use it to just, dry it down. Make sure your dryer is on cool, not hot, not over hot. Okay, good.
"12 seconds later."
Next thing I'm doing right now is just styling the hair, applying water, and then I'm going to brush through it before I apply every other thing I have to apply on this hair. So after using water on the hair, I'm just going in with my hair serum, spraying a little amount of it and just running my fingers through. You guys can see how the hair is shining.
It always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind.
After that, I used a foam wrap also. I like this part. I like the foam when it's coming out. You can see the happiness on my face. So yeah, I'm just going to use this on the hair and run my fingers again through, and then that's the final thing we're going to be applying. We're going to be applying for this hair. And that is it for this hair, babies. Look at me now, look at me. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment for me. Bye.
Black and